So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is motion and time. Okay. So first of all, before starting the
Okay, ma'am.
chapter, we will start that what is motion. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by motion?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Roshni.
When a body or an object changes its position with respect to time, then it is said to be in motion.
So at some time at 10 o'clock you are here in your house and at 11 o'clock you are there in the market. So you have changed your position. So while in between this two time you are in motion. So what is motion? It is said that if an object keep on changing its position with respect to time, that is it is said to be moving or in motion. So motions, we know there are different types of motions. Some of them I have discussed over here, that is related to your class. That is, there are different types of motion. We will be going to read about rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion and curvilinear motion. Can anyone just tell me, don't see that what I am presented, just tell me rectilinear means, what do you mean by the term rectilinear? Because already you have done this in class 6. Rectilinear, what do you mean by the term? Yes.
Ma'am, when the object change their position
And
with
when the
time,
object moves in
along
a
with
straight
the
line.
time, this type of motion is called the rectilinear motion.
Yes, you're right, Vijay. That is, rectilinear means a straight. So when the motion takes place in a straight line, it is regarded as rectilinear motion. That is the straight path. When the path of the motion of an object, it may be any kind of object, it may be train, it may be you, it may be a rat, it may be a cat. Anything that is moving in a straight path, that kind of motion is regarded as rectilinear motion. Okay, clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
circular motion. Again, I'm telling you who will going to be going to answer that. What do you mean by circular motion? Don't see over here. Just tell me that what do you mean by circular motion?
When a body moves in a
And
circular path, it's known
when
as circular
any
motion.
object circular manner, then it circular path is known as circular motion.
Wait. Yes, Aman, tell me what you have told just now. Just once more, tell me.
Ma'am, anything is moving in circular path is known as circular motion.
Yes, anything that is moving in a circular path. Circular path means you know a circle. That is when an object is moving. Suppose A is an object over here and it is moving along the circumference. You know the term circumference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the perimeter of a circle is known as circumference. So when an object is moving along the circumference of a circle, then the object is said to be experiencing what kind of motion? It is regarded as circular motion. So examples I have given: the motion of a child in a merry-go-round. You have seen merry-go-round. It is a circular motion. Motion of the earth around the circular orbit. So that is what it is called. It was revolution. Revolution. Am I right? It is called revolution. Motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. So it is also an example of a circular motion. Then it is rotational motion. So what is rotational motion? Can anyone again just tell me what do you mean by rotational motion? Yes. Others mute. Only who is answering, they will just unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, Aman.
Okay, Aman.
Ma'am, anything object or a body when it's move spin about a fixed axis. मैम मतलब एक जगह से पूरा गोल गोल राउंड घूम रहा है उसे रोटेशनल एक्सिस कहते हैं.
That is called rotational motion. So I'm just explaining it to you. Just wait. So all of you know about the rotation of the earth. All of you know the spinning of a top. I'm not taking rotation. That is rotation of top and spinning. And spinning of the top. You have seen a top. आप लोग तो घुमाते ही होंगे लड़के लोग. So it is a spinning of a top means you have seen this axis. Along this axis the top rotate every time. And also in case of the earth also, in rotation of the earth you have seen this is the axis. And along this axis what happens? The earth rotates. So whenever the motion takes place or whenever a body moves along a particular or fixed axis, it is known as to be experiencing the rotational motion. Okay, clear? Am I clear? So it is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
motion of the earth about its axis, spinning top, and the motion of the blades of a fan. These are all extra examples. So what are motion of the earth, spinning top, and the motion of the blades of a fan all are experiencing what kind of motion? They are experiencing rotational motion. Next, it is called curvilinear motion. What is curvilinear motion? Who will answer this time?
Ma'am, the body or a object move the curve.
Yes, you're right, but your English is not correct. अच्छे से बताओ अमन. What about others?
When a body
Ma'am, when a body or an object moves in a
moves
curved
in
line.
circular path, curvilinear path,
Moves in a
Just wait. Aman, mute yourself. Aman, mute yourself. Aman, mute yourself. Deepa, answer.
Ma'am, when a body or an object move in a curved path, it is known as curvilinear.
Yes, it is. You should not mention that circular path. Circular path means circumference of a circle, but it may not be a circumference of a circle. It may be. Just wait. It may be. Again, I'm just rubbing it off. I'm just showing. All of you can see the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it may
Yes,
not,
ma'am.
it is not in case of curvilinear, it may not be a circular path. It may be like this also. It may be like this also. So any kind of curve, this I'm drawing, any haphazard curve, that type of motion that a object is experiencing is known as curvilinear motion. So am I clear now? Is all this type of motions are
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So what we have read,
Yes.
we have read
Yes,
about
ma'am.
we have read about motion. What is motion? Motion is the changing of position with respect to time. And what are the different types of motion that we have read about? Rectilinear motion, when a body experience a motion in a straight path, it is known as rectilinear
That's
motion.
straight.
Yes. When a body is experiencing a motion in a circular path, it is called circular motion. For example, merry-go-round, for example, movement of the earth around the sun. Rotational motion is a motion possessed by a body due to the motion of the body in a fixed axis, like the rotation of the earth, the spinning of the top, and the moving of the blades of the fan. Okay? And then curvilinear motion, it may be any kind of curve that is experiencing, it may be circle. So circular motion is a particular type of curvilinear motion. Am I clear? Circular motion is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
particular type when the motion is completed in a circular path, but any kind of other kind of motion, haphazard motion, it may be a curvilinear motion. What I'm drawing, I'm not drawing unjustified. I'm just showing you whenever you are running here and there in the field, what you are experiencing, what you are doing, you are experiencing a curvilinear motion. Okay, am I clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can have periodic motion also.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is periodic motion?